Wow, look at that sunrise, guys. Beautiful. Lovely. Gonna go rig in a 24,000-pound machine into Rick's stone shop. It's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. This will be at least something visually interesting at the end to wait for. Morning, Internet. This morning's kind of exciting. We just downloaded the latest version of FSD 12.3.5 last night. It's the newest update. I'm in a little bit of a hurry this morning, so I only get one take on this. We're going to go to my friend Rick. He owns a company called Alpha Stoneworks. And we're going to drive on full self-driving through traffic in downtown Portland. And we're going to see if we can do a non-intervention chill drive. That's how I like to roll. I'm going to push the blue button. And the car's going to start driving. Let's see if there's some differences between this version and the version they downloaded 2 weeks ago. Now notice it's pulling out of my driveway. I've got it in chill mode. Very cool. They've actually calmed it down. It used to drive a little bit too fast in my neighborhood right here. It's creeping up, it's creeping up. Car comes clear and it goes. What's going to be really cool where we're going, I'll tag some video on at the end. We're going to be unloading a 12-ton CNC machine off of a giant truck and putting it in my friend's shop. This is going to be cool. This is what I actually do for a living, is sell machinery. Popped in my head just now is when I'm listening to all these YouTubers give financial advice and then say this is not financial advice. Can someone explain me the utility of that? Is the idea that you're going to get sued for giving out bad financial advice on YouTube? Is that what's going on? Somebody explain this to me in the comments below. Why do all the YouTubers say this is not, buy Tesla stock, this is not a financial advice? I'm going to give you some financial advice. Here it comes. And I'm not a financial advisor, but here's your financial advice. This, full self-driving, is the future. I don't know anybody else that's doing anything that works like this. I'm not a genius. But I can tell you the idea that Tesla's going to lose money in the future deploying real-world AI on the roads is the definition of insanity. This is, I think, more important than the vehicle. And I suspect very soon you're going to hear, just like with the charging standard, I think you're going to hear them talking about licensing this technology to other companies. It'll probably take years to deploy, but there's no way anyone on the planet's not going to want this feature. Wow, look at that sunrise, guys. Beautiful. The semi-merging. I just went ahead and intervened there because it was making me sweaty. I don't know, the car probably would have braked just like I did, but I didn't feel like finding out.